Assalamualaikum. So today we will continue topic 2. We will focus on measures of skewness. So at the end of this subtopic, you will be able to understand the concepts of data distribution. Second, you will be able to determine the shape of the distribution using different methods. Okay, so let's look at the introduction. Shape of the distribution. There are three common shapes of a distribution. First is distribution is normally distributed or symmetry. So this one, a normal distribution shows a bell-shaped distribution where it has no skewness. It is happen when the mean, median and mode have equal value and they are all at the center of the distribution like this. Mean equal to median equal to mode. So this one, first shape of the distribution. Second, distribution is skewed to the right when the mean is greater than the mode. So mean will be at the right side. So here mean and then median and last one is mode. Positively distributed. And last one here is distribution is skewed to the left. So the mean is pulled to the left. So the value of the mean is less than the mode. So median always in the middle. Median. This one is mean and right side is mode. So mean less than median, less than mode. So this one, three shapes of the distribution. So how we want to identify the shape of the distribution? First, we can use the measures of central tendency. Second, histogram. Third, by using stem and leaf plot. Number 4, box and whiskers plot. And last one is using Pearsons coefficient of skewness. So let's look at the first method to identify the shape of the distribution. Measures of central tendency 3M, mean, median and mode. So three different cases here. If mean greater than median and greater than mode, data is skewed to the right or distribution is skewed to the right, or mean greater than mode. So data is skewed to the right. Second case here is if mean less than median, less than mode, distribution is skewed to the left. So we can also say that mean less than mode. And last one here is if mean equal to median equal to mode. So this one, data is symmetry or normal distribution, or mean equal to mode. Let's look at this example. Given that mean equal to 74.5, median equal to 71.5, and the model value equal to 70.5, determine the shape of the distribution. So using these three M's, mean, median and mode. So mean greater than median, greater than mode. Therefore, data or distribution is skewed to the right. So second method here is using histogram. So we will use previous example distribution of marks. So how we want to determine the shape of the distribution using histogram. Like that. So look at the skewness. So the skewness here is skewed to the right. Therefore, distribution or data is skewed to the right. Next method to identify the shape of the distribution is by using stem and leaf plot. But first of all, you need to know how to construct stem and leaf plot. So using this example, construct a stem and leaf plot for the age of patients registered at Mysterious Clinic in a day. So this one data based on two digits. So first step, construct the table like this. First column, stem. Second column is leaf. So look at the data. 2 digits. So first digit becomes stem. Second digit becomes leaf. Easier if you arrange the data first, because stem and leaf from the lowest value to the highest value. So the lowest value is 22. So 22 stem start from number 2, and then 3, 4, and last one here is 5. So any number start with number 2, first row of leaf, like that. 2, 2, 4, 5. 2, 2, 4, 5. Ascending order. Okay, next, do the rest of data. So this one, stem and leaf plot. So how you want to determine the skewness of the data, or maybe normal distribution? You can draw like this. Okay. So look at the line that have you drawn, skewed to the right here, skewed to the right. Therefore, distribution is skewed to the right. Okay, let's look at another example on how to construct a stem and leaf plot. Let's say the data like this: 100, 101, 200. So here, stem and leaf plot. Stem, leaf. Leaf always one digit. Last digit here is 0, 1, 0. Therefore, stem from the smallest value 10. So leaf is 0. And then second value here is, so leaf equal to 1. Next, 2, 0. The data 200, so leaf equal to 0. So remember that leaf always last digit of the data, even in decimal form. Okay, so next we proceed to box and whiskers plot. So box and whiskers plot to visualize the distribution of a set of data based on the middle value. So look at this example. We will construct box and whiskers plot. First step, arrange the data in ascending order from the smallest value to the highest value. So if you want to construct box and whiskers plot, you need to find 5 values. First one is smallest value 5. Second is first quartile. Recall back measures of position. How you want to find the first quartile, second quartile, and third quartile. So, based on the data, Q1 equal to 12. Median or Q2 equal to 15. Third quartile, Q3 equal to 19. And last one, the largest value or the highest value equal to 29. So you need all these 5 values to construct box and whiskers plot. So how to construct? Okay, draw the horizontal line. Make sure the scale is standard scale. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 25 and 30. 5, 5, 5, 5. Next, smallest value equal to 5. First quartile, second quartile, third quartile, and last one is the largest value. Then draw the box. Q1, Q2, and Q3 like that. And then last step here is draw the whiskers, left and right side like that. So this one, box and whiskers plot. So using this plot, how you want to determine the data distribution? So look at the whiskers here. Whiskers. The right whisker is slightly longer than the left, indicating that the data is only slightly skewed to the right. Means that the data is skewed to the right. So this one, box and whiskers plot. So the last method here to determine the shape of the distribution is Pearsons Coefficient of Skewness. There are 2 different formulas on how we want to calculate Pearsons Coefficient of Skewness. First formula, second formula. So first formula, mean minus mode over standard deviation. Second formula is 3 mean minus median over standard deviation. So this one, model value, but this one, middle value. So this one, the conclusion based on PCS value. If you got positive value, means that the distribution is skewed to the right. If you got negative value, therefore the distribution is skewed to the left. And if you got PCS value exactly is 0, therefore the distribution is normal. Let's look at this example. Given that the mean value equal to 74.5, median 71.5, mode 70.5, and standard deviation 11.256. Determine the shape of the distribution. So here you have mean, median, mode, and standard deviation, median and mode. So you can use either of these formula. Let's say you want to use this formula using middle value. Substitute all the value. At the end, PCS equal to 0.7996. Positive value. So positive value, therefore the distribution is skewed to the right. So this one, how you want to determine the shape of the distribution using Pearson's coefficient of skewness. Okay guys, that's all about the measures of skewness. Assalamualaikum.